Hi, today I think I decoded the banished number writing. A few days ago, I was playing Halo Infinite while listening to random source videos. I came across the video called Decyphering Halo Infinite's banished text, in which Randomster did a good job translating the symbols. But there was something wrong, it was missing a big element, and I think I found it. One of the things he mentioned was that the brutes only had 4 fingers per hand. We, as humans, normally have 5 per hand, so 10 in totals. And that's why we count in base 10. Before we could write, we use our fingers to count, which led to the system we have. We count using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we go back to 0 but add a 1 in front of it. Logically, if it was the same as the humans, brutes would count in base 8, but we can clearly see a pattern in which after each fourth number there's a change, which led me to believe that they count in base 4. I'm not too good at explaining, so here's a video from Neil deGrasse Tyson in which he explained how to count in different bases. But basically, since it's not base 10, they don't use digits 4 to 9. After 3 they reset to 10 like we do after 9. Following this logic, this means the number shown are 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20 until 33. But since they don't use 4, there is no 40, so it's directly 100. So 100, 101, 102, 103. So 110 all the way up to 133. Reset again, 200. But then they seem to skip some numbers and go to 210 and 211, and then we are left with one less number that is a single bar, which led me to believe that the same way that this is worth 1, this is worth 10, and this is worth 100, then this should mean 1,000. And there we go. Now let's try translating some symbols in the game, but keep in mind that this is only for number, and for letters I recommend you to go watch Random Source video about it. Here's a draw of symbols that appear a lot of places in the tower. It's actually a letter and a number. For a letter we will use Random Source's letter description since it is the best guess. The symbol matched the letter F, assuming Randomster is right, and for the number there are 3 bars that values 1 and 1 that values 10, so 13 in base 4. It doesn't matter if the letter is right because it's about describing the numbers. Still, let's assume it's F. It would mean F13, but remember 13 in base 4 is not worth the same as 13 in base 10. So through us, in the base 10, it would be worth 6. So a proper translation would be F7 to us. The reason we still need to represent their number in base 4, the base 4 firstly, is because it's the only way to then transfer it in base 10 after. So to recap, this would be worth 13 in base 4 but 6 in base 10. It seems to work everywhere. The only missing piece of the text is the missing middle section that we don't know about, assuming that top is letters. If someone knows, make sure to leave them down below.